Mess? Mess? It's alright. You have to lift a little bit. Lift it. Lift it. Yeah. Yum yum. Relaxing. Just slow down. Slow. Nandito kami sa garden. It's 9 a.m. in the morning. And, sunny, but cold wind. Dito lang kami. Ayun na kami. Just na ako eh. Naglaro na siya dyan sa slide, sa sandpit niya. Yeah? No. My husband friends, the guy, he invite us for the barbecue. So we'll see how Raiden's behave later. And then we want to have a walk in the park because it's also nice weather. And after this today, it's gonna be a little bit more rainy tomorrow, even later evening. So yes, we're gonna go to the park and we're gonna go visit Uncle. Yeah?
I don't know.
Okay, say bye-bye. See you later.
I want to see. I think I know silver sea.
So cutie pie.
You see castle.
Okay. Yes, what is that?
Cherry.
Hi, loves. Punta kami ng shop. Bili lang kami ng atay, ng liver kasi mag-aadobo ako. Tapos punta kami ng park. And then pagbalik namin, mag-cut ng grass si Mister, and then punta kami sa bahay ng kaibigan namin. Kaibigan ni Mister kasi invite kami magbo-barbecue daw. Yes? Dancing? You hear the music? Is it a party? Is there a party there? May narinig siya na music eh. Party ata. Good dancing! Narinig siyang music sa kapitbahay siguro yun. Dito lang sa kalapit. Sayaw-sayaw siya eh. Nakarinig siya ng tugtog. Yeah? Punta kami ng park. Ay, ng shop first. And then, after shop, babalik kami. And then park. Yes.
You pick mommy.
Oh, you give it to Mama? Thank you. Thank you so much. You're so sweet. Thank you. You give it to Mommy. Thank you so much. Oh no. That's hard. It's okay now. Let's go now to daddy. That's gonna be hard. This one is for you. This one is for you. Come on. It's gonna be hard.
It's yellow. It's green.
Yeah.
Green.
Naglalakad na kami papunta sa shop. Itong batang to, makakita ng flowers. Lagi niyang pinipitas. Okay. Okay, that's it. That's it. Come here. Just slow down. Slow down, okay? Lapit na kami, loves. Ito, shop na yun. Likod ng shop na yan. Likod na siya ng shop. Sainsbury.
I don't know.
What is it? What is it? Si Asba nasa likod. Tingnan mo yung loves ng mga halaman. Binibenta. Oh, no. That's not no, that's a fresh one. They sell that. Yeah, that's not free. Yeah. Fresh. Yes, it's fresh. Okay, let's go now inside now. Come on. Let's get some snacks. Come on, let's get some snacks and liver. No, come on. Come on, let's get some snacks. Where are you going?
Not me.
Look, strawberry. Okay. Let's get some orange. This one. Raiden, look. Look, this one, look. Here. I think this one, the small one. Okay, give it to daddy. Give it to daddy. This one, please. This one, give it to daddy, please. Okay, give it to daddy there. Put it there, please. Put it there. Okay, just slowly. Thank you. Liver? Chicken liver. Yes, please. Just one, it's okay. Thank you. What? You kiss mama? Wow, you kiss me a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot of kiss. That's a lot of kiss. Sweet, super sweet ka na baby ko. Super sweet to sa akin eh, sweet baby. Okay. May batang nakabili ng pagkain niya. What is that? Pepero. Labas na kami mag-ano siya. Labas na kami and punta na kami dito lang sa may malapit na park katabi nitong shop. May park dito. Hindi siya park actually, para siyang ano siya, mini forest, parang ganon. Tapos yun, mag-walk kami dyan and then saglit lang and then balik din lang kami. Kasi magkakat ng grass si Mr.
Let's go a little bit further.
Raiden, come on, let's go a little bit further. Come on. Let's go a little bit further because there's a dog. Meron kasing ano dog to, no, yung parang ano siya, wala siyang tali. Tapos syempre nakakatakot. Kasi baka mamaya mga gat. Yeah. Yes, Daddy?
What?
There's a dog there. I'm talking about the dog.
Yeah, there's a dog without owner, and the owner is probably sitting on the bench somewhere and drinking beer. And this is what it shouldn't happen. But
Look, there's a cat.
yeah,
Wow.
even cat wants to feel the danger.
May cat dun. So may ano, puno.
On the,
Yeah.
yes, he's going on the tree.
Say meow meow.
Meow.
Maybe it's friend of Mariko.
Because
Mariko wants to say hello.
the hello there. Susie the hi. See you keep doing the hi there.
Okay, let's go. Maybe he wants to sleep.
Excited na siya makita yung river dun sa merong maliit na river.
What? Meet the river?
Small river. Mini river. Fish? Is there a fish there? Have you seen fish?
Quack quack.
Oh, there's no duck there.
No fish, no duck.
No fish, no duck. Sabi niya, kwak kwak. Where is it?
You fly away.
Oh no, nawala na. May butterfly kasi. Yeah, I think they are shy and I think they know that there's a camera. Yes, Raiden. Have you got any butterfly? Walking pa rin kami, nandito pa rin kami sa may kagubatan. Kagubatan. So, yan po. Nasa countryside po kami nakatira. So, hindi po kami mismong nasa city like London, mga ganon. Pero, nasa town naman po kami. Nasa countryside po kami. Pero, nasa town po kami malapit sa town. Kaya, so, hindi naman siya yung village. Kapag talagang super yung talagang province na province po, ang tawag po dito ay village. Yun po yung parang nasa nasa parang countryside talaga na nasa village ka, yung malalayo din kahit pa paano yung agwat ng bahay nila, ganun. Tapos may malaki silang yard. Tapos usually meron silang mga alagang tawag nun, horse, mga ganun. Yun po. Ang sarap po sa pakiramdam. Fresh air. Ilang taon din ako nanirahan sa Manila eh. So dito parang pag 3 years na ako ngayong May. So parang siguro sana napalitan na yung yung air sa katawan ko. Alam niyo yun, loves, yung parang 'di ba kasi nga syempre ang pollution diyan sa Manila. So ilang taon ako diyan na nakatira na dito 3 years na rin. So
Here, look.
ano na rin ng fresh air talaga.
Look here, look.
Look,
See?
there.
You can do it like this, look. You take in and you do it like this, look. Ooh, flying. Ooh. See?
You see that?
Flying, flying. You want to try? Oh,
Wow. Come on, blow
you have
it.
to blow.
Blow. Show to mommy, come on.
Blow,
Blow.
blow. Blow.
Blow.
Do it like this.
Parang nag-blow lang ng ano.
Like this.
Like this, oh.
Oh, see?
Oh, you can do it like that as well, yes. Wow. Very good. It's moving so much. Woo! Bahay na kami, loves. Ito lang naman yung binili namin. Beef mince. Chicken liver kasi mag-aadobo ako na may chicken breast tapos may balon-balunan at ay balon-balunan. And then strawberry. Some oranges.
Mandarin.
Orange. They call it mandarin. And then salmon. Nakaano siya, ka-promo I think. Sabi ni Mr. mas mura dun kaysa sa binila namin nakaraan. Tapos some juices. And then naubos na ni Raiden to kanina. So yun, may nakuha kami, si Mr. may naano siyang flowers. Sabi niya,
it's for my wife.
Sabi niya, ilalagay daw niya sa may base, tapos lagay niya water. Mabango daw to. Mabango nga. Ang bango. Favorite color ko pa. Favorite color ko pa siya.
Sabi niya.
Tapos, sana magkaroon siya ng root para itanim ko sa garden. Para itanim ko sa garden.
Sabi niya, can I have you, I want to tell you something, guys. If you want to leave your flower longer, all you need to do is just put a little bit of sugar into the water, and then the flower is gonna live a little bit longer. So 1 spoon of brown sugar.
You finish? Did you finish? Did you finish?
And our beautiful flower, especially for my wife, of course.
Strawberry.
It's ready now. And it smells beautiful. Smell amazing. Yes, honey?
Yes.
Oh,
Smells.
look what she's doing. He's gonna lose this strawberry in a minute. Okay, guys, let's place it on.
Luto ako ng loves, chicken adobo. Luto na yung adobo, loves. Tapos naglaga ako ng egg para dyan sa adobo. Tapos papakainin ko si Raiden. Paborito yan ni Raiden yung atay. Tapos yun, kain muna kami, loves, ha. And then mamaya ulit. Hi guys. Hi loves, punta na kami sa friend ni Mr.
Hi guys.
Mag-invite kami for barbecue. Mag-barbecue daw siya.
Guys.
Punta na kami. Ano na ngayon? For almost 5 PM na ngayon.
Hi guys.
Late na ngayon nagdidilim loves. Siguro mga 8, 9, ganon. Pero pag summer talaga, mga May, ngayong May, June, July, hanggang 10 PM maliwanag pa. So, biyahe na kami.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
Tomorrow we have to fill out that form.
Yeah.
Just remind me if I forget. I shouldn't, but just in case.
Na kami love sa bahay niya.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
Majster mówi,
Okay?
właśnie mówię, ty, to jest ten człowiek, co mięsem handluje, mówi, to jest ten, nie?
No i nic, podłączyłem, zaktualizowałem ten komputer jeszcze raz porządnie, tak jak trzeba.
Yeah.
Mami, maybe I'm gonna bring
Teraz
it.
ten i tak, nie musi być.
And Mikoi, he gonna drop us to the house and tomorrow I'm gonna get the car. So I'm not gonna buy the car.
Up to you, baby.
Najwyżej, don't
Nagpapaalam yung
worry,
asawa kung
Daddy's
pwede siya uminom
here.
ngayon. Umiinom naman
Dad's
siya.
always with you, okay? Don't worry.
At meron tayong binigyan ako ni Friendy.
Chwilę mnie
Do
nie
you
było,
see
kurwa,
something here? You don't see anything, no?
ale ona fajnie dojdzie.
Oh. Oh, sit here with Daddy. Oh, close to Daddy, yes? Don't worry, you're sitting okay? Maybe higher a little. Oh, like this.
Oh, kumite. Ganito yung Polish maghanda, loves. Salad, some slices of ham, meat, and ito, salad, shrimp. Ang sarap. Then fish and some salads and some wine. And then barbecue is here. Yeah, sausage. Smells good. Ooh, you like it? You like the bread? Yes? Kumain siya ng fruits and then
Jarek nie może być pijany.
bread.
Ta kolka.
Przecież na
Wow.
lotnisko jedziemy.
Nice.
Gdzie jedziecie? Na lotnisko? A gdzie jedziecie?
Telefon.
Yes?
Do Rzymu lecimy rano.
Grapes.
Wow.
It's a
Ja bym
grape.
nie ściągał z Polski.
To nie lepiej było z Polski do Rzymu?